to draw and he liked the art, and my name is Sierra.
Beautiful. And your drawing is of your family?
Of your family.
That's right. That's right. You like it, baby Spence? You like Sierra's art? That's great. You want to practice one more time?
My name is Sierra, and I like to draw, and I like to art, and
Who's the picture of in the middle? That picture right there. Who's that?
be fancy.
And that's your
Art.
that's your brother.
That's my brother.
Yeah, I like it. You're going to present this to your class today. It's beautiful like you. Love it. Say yes. That's your art.
Can we put it on the wall?
We'll put it on the wall when you get home from your first day of school, okay?